What's going on, guys? Kyle Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking to you guys about a stock that had a huge spike in price today and what I think is going to happen with it in the future. If you guys want 2 free stocks with Webull, check out the affiliate link in the description below. When you sign up and deposit $100, you get 2 free stocks. We get a free stock as a commission, and it's a great way to support the channel. Also want to say real quick too that we are not financial advisors and none of this is financial advice. Please do your own research and due diligence before you invest in any asset and security and talk to a registered financial advisor. But other than that, guys, let's get right into this video. Ticker symbol KMPH, otherwise known as ChemPharm, is a clinical stage specialty pharmaceutical company which engages in the discovery and development of proprietary prodrugs. Now, before we get into why this company is running today, I wanted to go over the technicals a little bit. If we take a look here, the current CEO is Travis C. Mickle. Their market cap is $245.62 million. They're based out of Florida. They're founded in 2006. Their average volume is around 3.88 million. Their volume the day of making this video was actually 52 million. So as you can see, there were quite a lot of people who invested in this stock today, and that's what caused this crazy price action that we're seeing. So you're probably wondering why there was so much volume on this company today, and here's why. As I mentioned before, this is a biopharmaceutical company that creates different types of treatments and prodrugs. One of these drugs is actually made to diminish and control ADHD. Now, the main reason this stock is likely running today is due to the fact that the FDA gave a nod, which isn't an approval, but it's basically like...
Just a side note, I was completely wrong. This is not just a nod. They actually did get approved for FDA approval. I read that news article, and for some reason, I did not read further the fact that the FDA approval is confirmed. I am so terribly sorry, and please forgive me. But yes, they are officially confirmed, FDA approved. The ADHD drug is good to go.
This was huge for the company, and as you can see, the price acted accordingly. Now let me explain a little bit about their ADHD drugs and what I think they're going to do for them in the long-term future. If we actually look at the overall ADHD market, we see that it's a $17.5 billion industry. It has an overall projected growth of 4% year over year. Not only that, but over 10.5 million US adults actually suffer from ADHD every year. It's clear to see that the ADHD market is actually pretty big, and there's quite a few patients that they can help with their new drugs. Now, the actual drug that got the FDA nod today is known as KP415. KP415 is an ADHD medication that is ingested orally, basically a pill. Once it's ingested orally, it goes into your system and begins to work the way it's intended to. Ideally, it helps you focus better, fights off intrusive thoughts, and overall just makes your ADHD symptoms go away mostly. One of the great things about KP415, as you can see right here, is the fact that it's onset, it lasts longer, and it's less likely to make patients addicted when compared to other ADHD medications. Obviously, this is a big deal not only because it's better than these other drugs, but the fact that it doesn't actually cause as much addiction compared to these other drugs. I'm sure most of us are familiar with the opioid epidemic as well as the prescription drug problem that we've been seeing in the country the last few years. I'm sure many of us actually know somebody personally who's actually addicted to prescription painkillers or prescription drugs, and that's a big problem in this country. If the drug that this company makes, KP415, is actually less addictive and works like that, that's great news for the overall country as a whole. We want to see less people addicted to these prescription drugs and less people die from overdoses. Now, right now, it seems they're mostly focusing on their ADHD medication, but I wouldn't doubt that there's going to be more products in their pipeline coming to the... Now, right now, they're mostly focusing on their ADHD medication, but I would not at all be surprised if there's more products coming down the pipipeline. Right now, it seems like they're trying to expand their supply chains and overall market share to increase their revenue. I'm looking forward to see what else they create in the coming years, as well as they continue to do this well. At the time of making this video, KMPH is actually trading at over $13 a share, so it's a little bit more than a penny stock. But overall, I'm pretty bullish on this stock, and I'm looking forward to its continued growth in the market. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys have traded this stock or if you made any money on some of the price action we've seen over the past few days. Let me know down in the comments below too if you have any other stocks that you want us to talk about. We love reading your guys' suggestions and we love making videos about them. But other than that, guys, that's all we have for you guys today. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more videos just like this. Make sure to check out our Webull affiliate link in the description below so you guys can get 2 free stocks. We get 1 free stock, and it's a great way to support the channel. And other than that, guys, that's all we have for you guys today. I'm Kyle, Finance Bro. Take it easy.